Do you want to see your students' reading take off this year? Well, determining their reading level is a good place to start. Students make the most reading gains when they're reading text at the appropriate difficulty level and on a topic that interests them. The Developmental Reading Assessment gives you all the tools to get your students reading fun, engaging text that they can feel successful with. Simply start by taking what you already know about the student to select a good starting reading level. If you need more information, use our new Level Estimator word list. This quick word reading task is going to get you the approximate reading level of your student. This is going to save you a ton of time, especially for those kids that are either really far above or really far below the expected reading level. Then simply listen to your students read. You can use our new expanded and updated benchmark book collection. There are now over 100 titles to choose from kindergarten through 8th grade, and there are fiction and nonfiction options at every level. For example, here's one of our new nonfiction titles at the early grade level. Your students are going to love these big, beautiful, colorful photographs throughout. Or here's one of our new fiction titles from the intermediate reading stage. Having more titles to choose from is going to lessen the likelihood that students are able to memorize the text, and it just keeps the experience fun and refreshing for everybody involved. There were also some favorite DRA2 titles that were kept in the DRA3. These have all been updated, like the incredible story of Rudy Garcia Tolson, who actually went on to go to the Paralympics 4 times, and we have some new updated pictures from that incredible journey. And a quick tip, consider doing fiction and nonfiction reading at a given level. This is going to give you a more comprehensive picture of the student's reading skill and also information about the text types that they enjoy. And for students that are in those intermediate grade levels but reading closer to a 2nd or 3rd grade level, we also have 12 bridge texts that might be of interest to them. Then finish it off by conducting the optional reading engagement survey. This is going to give you information directly from the student about their reading behaviors and topics they enjoy reading about. Then put it together. This information can help you guide students towards books in your library that are, of course, at the appropriate difficulty level, but also something they will actually enjoy reading. Let's make reading fun. Fostering a love of reading opens up a world of possibilities. Learn more, go to pearsonassessments.com/DRA3.